Hi, my name is Dr. Kendall Coleman. On today, we're going to be learning about TinkerCAD. It is a free tool that you can use for circuits, 3D designs, code blocks, and various lessons. Today, we will be working on the traffic light. I'm going to begin by using these components. I want the small white breadboard. I want to have over my blue Arduino. And I'm going to search for my LED. I need 3 of these. This is going to be green. The next one is going to be yellow. And finally, this one is red. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Just hit Control plus on the keyboard to zoom in. I'm going to look for my resistors. Put it on the cathode leg. So this is cathode, anode, but this goes in the leg of the cathode. I can also change the value of these. To rotate my resistor, I can just click on this in the top left-hand corner of the triangle and so forth. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is ground this. Make my wire black. Ground this. Make my wire black. So ground this. Then I want this to go to a positive, so 8. So this is going to 8. And this is going to go to 5. And I want this to go to 3. 8, 5, 3. Okay, great. If I hit start simulation, nothing works. The lights do not come on because I have not wrote my code yet. So I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to bring over 9 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what I'm going to do is just go 8, 5, 3. 8, 5, 3. 8, 5, 3. Great. I'm going to put in some delays. So after the light comes on, I want it to pause before it goes on to the next one. 2 seconds there. 1 second. Now, I want this to be high, the green light. And when the green light comes on, I want the yellow and red to be off. For the second condition, I want the green light off. I want the yellow on, and I want the red off. And then the final condition, the green is off, the yellow is off, but the red is on. So start simulation. So nothing happened. Why not? Because I did not ground this. So let me just ground the bottom. And this is the one mistake many students make. They forget to ground the actual Arduino board. Okay, so let me just start this. Green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red. So just remember, students, make sure you have your Arduino grounded. Make sure you have your 3 resistors grounded. Now stop that. I want to look at my code. So this is block code. I can look at block plus text. I can just copy this code here. What I can do is just open up this Arduino sketch. I can copy this code right in, which means I can download this to a Arduino board. Also, There's a web-based version of it as well, Arduino editor that you can use. Okay, so again, my name is Dr. Kendall Coleman, and today we learned about creating a circuit in TinkerCAD, and today we did the stop light, green light, yellow light, or red light. And we learned about the code, the block code, and also that we were writing in C++. Okay, bye.